CEO Ronald Hickler from Creating a Difference. I want to talk to you about why it's important to have a polished bowling ball in your bag. I've got TruCut hand-applied polish powered by Turtle Wax, and the best part of this polish, it's going to leave a 5500 grit finish on your bowling ball. We've actually got a bowling ball that we've applied the polish to. We're going to go ahead and scan that bowling ball real quick so you can get an idea of what's going on here. You know, using a polish by hand is really important because obviously if you're bowling a tournament or league, you can't use the ball spinner. So we're at 5501, so that is right where we want to be at in terms of the actual grit of this bowling ball. Here's what's interesting. We want you to focus on the ball motion, on the shape of the ball motion. So what we've done is we've actually put lane markers on the lane. At the break point, we put 2 lane markers. What that's going to do is going to allow you to actually see the ball path as it goes down the lane and watch to see the ball reaction that this is going to have. So you were able to see that long and angular ball motion. That's an option that you should always have in your bag. But here's the thing. What about when you don't need your ball to go long? What about when you don't want your ball to be angular? You need to be able to adjust the surface of your bowling ball. We've got TruCut sanding pads. These sanding pads actually can be used by hand as well. This one happens to be a 500 grit, and that's what we're going to apply to this bowling ball now. The way you do it's quite simple. You're actually going to go in circular motions around the side of the bowling ball. Like so. When you get all the way around, you're going to come to the top. Spend a little time on the top. Go right back to the side of the bowling ball. Now what this is going to do, this is going to abrade the ball. It's going to make the ball hook earlier. It's going to change the shape of the motion. And you may want that. All right, we're going to do it again. Especially when you're bowling in tournaments or you're bowling in league. Obviously, you can do this before or after competition. You cannot do it during competition. Top, back on the sides, and on the top just like so. A little bit of Wow Factor ball cleaner to get all the excess dust off. Wow Factor ball cleaner is a stronger version of that purple stuff, made for before and after competition. Like so. All right. Now we'll take this ball and give it a quick scan here. Kind of see where we're at. All right, so now we're at 693, so close to that 500 number. So now we're going to take this bowling ball, we're going to throw it again, and you're going to be able to watch the ball motion change. The ball's going to be earlier and more aggressive. So now you've been able to see the difference between TruCut hand-applied polish powered by Turtle Wax and that 5500 grit finish and a 500 grit finish. Why is that important? Because changing your ball reaction is the best way for you to continue to strike. Now, here's the best part of this whole thing. You know, we were able to show you a lot what this polish can do. What we didn't show you is what happens when you hit the polish bottles. Get it out.
TruCut polish, powered by Turtle Wax. You ready to shine, get yours and holler at 5500 on the meter, know you loving that. And you love pushing down the lane, watching you react. Put the polish on a special pad, then apply it to the whole ball. It would go longer than you had. Prepare your equipment before or after competition. We got products over here, we creating a difference. Give it a try. Ball maintenance is important, no lie. The pros can do it, and so can I. Take some time out and prep your pieces. A lot of research went into this, like writing the thesis. When the ball releases, total control, like walking your dog on leashes. Shoot your honest scores and leave them haters speechless. Stay ahead of the transition and watch how your average increases. Circular motion, watch it shine under 5 minutes. Wipe the excess with purple stuff when you finish. We stay innovating so bowlers can stay winning. My brother is a genius, shout out to Ron Nicklin Jr. Get yours sooner than later. I'm serving the bowlers treats, make sure you tip your waiter. Many products in the industry, but this is greater. It's your boy LaRue. Haha, see you later. TruCut polish, powered by Turtle Wax. You ready to shine? Get yours and holler back. TruCut polish, powered by Turtle Wax. You ready to shine? Get yours and holler back. TruCut polish, powered by Turtle Wax. You ready to shine? Get yours and holler back. TruCut polish, powered by Turtle Wax. You ready to shine? Get yours and holler back.